How do you not get COVID? If you want to find out, then you're in the right place. What do I need? There are many things you can get to stay safe, but here are some of the most effective ones. First, face masks. Face masks are one of the best things you can get because a face mask can prevent COVID from getting into your lungs, which is good, and it blocks water droplets from going to others too. The second one is a face shield. Face shields are also very important because it helps prevent COVID from getting into your eyes, nose, and mouth. It also prevents the water droplets from your mouth, like the face masks, from going to others. Third, a vaccine. Getting vaccinated is the best thing you could do because if you're vaccinated, your body will know what to do when it encounters the virus. What should I do? Aside from wearing a face mask and a face shield, there are some things we can do to stay safe too. Number 1, social distancing. Social distancing can reduce the chance of a virus getting near you because moving away from people is moving away from the source of COVID. Number 2, staying at home. Staying at home works well too because staying at home limits the people you encounter and the possible COVID sources. Number 3, always wash your hands. You should always wash your hands properly with soap and water because together they can get viruses off your hands. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. Thanks, bye, and see you at another video.